The plate is chipped. The plate is chipped. The pan is scratched. The pan is scratched. The kettle is rusty. The kettle is rusty. The blender is jammed. The blender is jammed. The oven isn't heating. The oven isn't heating. The knife is dull. The knife is dull. The microwave is sparking. The microwave is sparking. The spoon is bent. The spoon is bent. The fridge is leaking. The fridge is leaking. The toaster won't pop up. The toaster won't pop up. The cutting board is warped. The cutting board is warped. The roasting pan is greasy. The roasting pan is greasy. The plate is cracked. The plate is cracked. The fork is missing a tine. The fork is missing a tine. The glass is shattered. The glass is shattered. The mug is chipped. The mug is chipped. The sugar jar is full of ants. The sugar jar is full of ants. The sponge is dirty. The sponge is dirty. The dishcloth smells. The dishcloth smells. The oven light is burnt out. The oven light is burnt out. The freezer is too frosty. The freezer is too frosty. The drawers are jammed. The drawers are jammed. The sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. The faucet is dripping. The faucet is dripping. The trash can smells bad. The trash can smells bad. The sink is full of dirty dishes. The sink is full of dirty dishes. The bread is moldy. The bread is moldy. The eggs are cracked in the carton. The eggs are cracked in the carton. The oil splashed everywhere. The oil splashed everywhere. The food got burned in the pan. The food got burned in the pan. The potatoes started sprouting. The potatoes started sprouting. The onions made me cry. The onions made me cry. The toaster burns the toast. The toaster burns the toast. The kitchen floor is slippery. The kitchen floor is slippery. There are crumbs in every drawer. There are crumbs in every drawer. The table is covered in sticky spots. The table is covered in sticky spots. The butter is too hard to spread. The butter is too hard to spread. The milk boiled over the pot. The milk boiled over the pot. The baking powder is clumped. The baking powder is clumped. The tea spilled on the counter. The tea spilled on the counter. The chocolate is melted inside the wrapper. The chocolate is melted inside the wrapper. The egg cracked while boiling. The egg cracked while boiling. The jar won't open. The jar won't open.